Hi there. If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for information on what you could possibly do to blow up on YouTube to get more views, to get many more subscribers on board. It is exactly that what I'm going to be sharing with you. 3 unique tips you could possibly use to enhance your chances of blowing up on YouTube. My name is Afagza Sifuna and you all are much welcome to my YouTube channel. By the way, if you're new, remember to subscribe and also drop a like on this video. Having said that, the very first unique way you can go about it is by you merging niches. What do I mean? On YouTube, people out here make content based on different subjects. For example, someone makes content on finance, other person on technology, other person on self-development, other person on health, and so forth. If you truly want to enhance the chances of blowing up, more so if you're starting out, don't really restrict yourself so much to a given niche. Of course, all of us have that topic which we have at interest in our hearts. But beyond that, be open-minded. In case you have multiple areas you have interest in, for example, you could have interest in personal finance, like the kind of content I make, but also you have insights, for example, you are a lawyer, you've had practice, for example, in public health and so forth. You could think of a way of merging all these different possible fields and make content on all of them. By the way, if you do that, you're going to enhance your possibilities of catching the wave earlier compared to everyone else, because someone could be chasing a given niche out there which most of the times doesn't have many people out there looking for info in that niche. Yet you could possibly merge different niches out here and enhance your possibility of blowing up much faster. That's the first unique tip you could look to pursue. And then the second unique tip you could look to pursue is you just need to take your YouTube analytics seriously. I've realized is a couple creators out there who don't check their YouTube analytics and actually purposely try to digest what YouTube is speaking to them. Of course, most people out here go and check, I have this number of subscribers, this video has gotten this number of views, maybe I'm getting this amount of revenue, then they are done. Beyond that, we have some key insights on the YouTube analytics, which can really inform the way you go about creating your content and even shape what you're putting out there for people to consume. For example, when you go under the analytics, check on the issue, for example, what other videos are people watching out there beyond your videos? What other channels are people looking for out there beyond your videos? What are the keywords out there and so forth? All these are going to assist you make more refined and awesome videos, and beyond that, optimize your videos for the search engine. In essence, search engine optimization through ensuring you have keywords right, you have your tags right, you have your descriptions right, and so forth. So be on the lookout, ensure you take the YouTube analytics seriously, and this is going to assist you maybe enhance your possibilities of blowing up on YouTube more compared to the competition. And then the third tip I want to share with you is that make your audience feel they are part of your channel. What do I mean? Be active, engage with your audience, be sincere with them, and also occasionally share some personal but not very revealing information about you. This is going to endear you towards your audience. They're going to feel they are part of your journey. And by the way, that's why you're going to be able to create a very solid bond with your audience. If you're able to do this, then your audience is going to trust you. Your audience is going to keep coming back for more because they're going to see you as a friend. You're going to be speaking with them rather than speaking to them. And that is going to be an important tip for you if you want to blow up on YouTube. In case your audience feels you're speaking with them rather than speaking to them, then chances are you're going to blow up much faster than the competition. So engage your audience. In the comment section, respond to comments sincerely. You know, in your videos, share some key information which your audience relates to. And all this is going to assist you blow up on YouTube much faster than the competition. What do you think about these 3 key tips? I think they're very significant. More so if someone is starting out on YouTube. They're going to assist you catch the wave much faster, get subscribers much faster, and also get more views much faster than the competition out here. Thanks. I really appreciate you watching this video. I look forward to sharing with you other awesome videos next time.